How long does it really take to prepare for an HR certification exam? Let's break it down. For certifications like the aPHR, SPHR, and SHRM exams, most people spend about 100 to 150 hours preparing. That's typically spread over 3 to 4 months. For the aPHR, the prep time is a bit shorter, usually around 50 to 75 hours over 1 to 2 months. How long it takes you, though, really depends on a few key factors: your available study time, your work experience, and your educational background. And while everyone's timeline is different, very few people can walk in and pass these exams without some level of preparation. In fact, one of the most common mistakes is underestimating what it really takes to be fully prepared. These exams test not just knowledge, but how you apply it. So giving yourself enough time to study, review, and practice is key. So set a realistic schedule, stay consistent, and give yourself the time you need to succeed. You've got this. Ready to take the next step? HRCP is here to support you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed on your certification journey. Visit us at hrcp.com.